I have worked a variety of food service jobs in the last 15 years. I can safely say that Homebase has cut down the time I take scheduling by half, like 50% easily.
Fix is almost 9 years old. The idea started when I was spending a year living abroad in Amsterdam. I was interested in pursuing my own small business, and I came up with the concept to join a bike shop and a coffee shop all under one roof. Fix is a much bigger team today. We opened our second location about 1.5 years ago. We needed a way to get a lot more efficient and maintain workflow and consistency.
We have at least a dozen employees on both sides of the business. The logistics of it are very challenging.
Since the day we opened, we've been using Homebase for scheduling and timesheets. It was a simple option to add a second location. Homebase obviously thought it through and made it pretty easy to go from 1 to 2. We're saving, at least 2 or 3 hours of manager time per week.
I can literally just repeat a schedule to the following week, and then if I need to make tweaks, it's super simple. I can publish just the coffee side of the business without affecting the bike side, and it's done in half an hour or less.
If our demand's gonna increase for some particular reason, using Homebase, seeing it all laid out, helps us plan for when we need more people on staff and whether or not that aligns with the demand. The future of Fix is just trying to improve and ensuring a top-level experience. We do see that Homebase is constantly looking to add functionality. It just makes the rest of our job a little easier.